Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about slang in English. Slang in English. In no time means very soon. For example, the video has sold 30,000 copies in no time. No sweet means it's not a problem. For example, picking you up was no sweet. Don't even mention it. Flick means a movie. For example, want to see a flick on Friday? Clap back to respond quickly and sharply to criticism. For example, she is not afraid to clap back at the haters. You bet, meaning certainly you are welcome. For example, thanks for your help, you bet anytime. Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.